Andrew! Mutton! Yes! Andrew! Yes, people, see there. Andrew, man, mutton snapper. Nice one, fish on. Fish on every time, Andrew. Big up yourself, sir, yeah? So the man has set up him rod, yes. Put the grass back now, brother, yeah. So journey with the pan today, you know. Not a fishing adventure, guys, yeah man, point adventure. Kerry, I hope you can hook up something this morning, you know, what you say?
Been a while.
Been a while, you know, hook up nothing, you know, me I tell you. And we have a special guest today, you know, a lie, no special guest, a long time, the man at the boat. See me on this today. What me tell you his name? The founder of Jamaican Anglers. And the man I give you the name Jamaican Anglers. See me, I'm sure. Hold on. See man, big up yourself, Darren.
I'll go on YouTube.
Yes,
yeah,
man.
We're there.
Yeah.
So get some fish in the morning, you know.
Yeah, pint.
Ah.
Yeah. Yeah, we have to show some of the water because this thing to wave if we walk all the way on a pint, you know. Yeah.
Oh, okay, I try jump too.
Yeah, show some of your own, man. You say lighter now. You come like you're a soldier, man.
Okay.
Come like you're a soldier. Okay, that's right now. I'm going to it. Yeah, man.
Yes, some people have a book over there, you say I use book rope and the man.
Rope? Yeah, I'm going to wrap up rope on it.
The whole angle rope.
Oh.
Rope and a metal. Come on.
Yeah, so calm. Nice. Yeah, peeps, so we're on the way to point, alright? So, as you know already, it's a little journey on the sand here, so we have to just save for breath, you know. But you know, the water look good, see there? But I would like to go in, I broke off and drop. Watch this man, a real old market man, you know, watch him. Alright people, catch you on that point, alright? Alright my peeps, reach on the point and we're setting out. No waste of time, you know, see that? Darren over that side there, Kerry that side there, and me. So, I'll set out the first bait, you know, first bait I go out now, see? Alright, so first bait out. You dashing me? Oh, the water is so deep, it's run hard, you know, man. Alright, so this is the first bait out, tuffy out, alright? Darren, I have a few tuffy there though, Darren. Yeah. I'm hoping you can get something from tuffy, Darren. That's true. Yeah. Hopefully, yeah.
Yes, a bang work on him.
Yeah, a bang for the bang place.
Tuffy me have, tuffy work with.
Alright. So you have to work with the tuffy today. I only have one bang. I more make use of the one bang still, you know. But right now, the spot where I always get run with the bang, it covered already. Covered. A whole parrot covered the spot there already. So, you have to just go and use a little spot here. I'm going to check to my brethren over here, you know. Anjo, the great Anjo. And my brethren name Alex. Beat them hard this morning, man, for real.
They're moving fast too. Not like I'm not here, you know, but can't get them in.
Boy, we look something for cook up today, you know.
Definitely, eh?
Right, that's how you cook it. Where the stove? You take up the stove?
No man, the stone them round at the side.
Yeah man, we want the stove set up and everything, because we catch something to cook today, man. Watch it and see.
Trust me.
Yeah man.
Good.
Yeah. They're gone. Lie. Get some. A shot. Go feed no, we bucket. Watch out, water, yeah.
I go here and
Yeah, go on.
eh?
Go on, feed. Come. Right now.
Yeah, keep them higher dash them.
Shot, that's your shot there.
Them they right in there.
Yeah, let's see. Take a big cast. It's heavy, man. It's heavy, nice, isn't it? You know? See them right there, man. Sneak up on them. One throw over them blow.
Come closer than earlier too. See them right at 100 foot.
I'll go for my net. I use 2 net on them. Alright people, so meanwhile I try to catch bait. My rod run off, Andrew fight the fish. See him down there, so I don't know if you can see him. I try to catch some bait. Eh? Catch a few a while ago, but not much. See more them come close to me. It's fish there. I catch a lot of bait, guys. See there? All for bait. Alright, I catch enough bait. So no. Put the pot and put pump in.
Yes, everyone can get 1 or 2.
Yeah. I catch bait for everybody.
That's a good boy. You have the luck this morning, Ron.
Alright, so I can't hook on the bait.
Boy, I could have used all the something right now to the tops.
Yeah. Put on a bait now. Yeah, put on one bait I just catch. Sprat. Yes! Come again. Out there again. Yes. So one down already. One down already for me. Put him out quick, can't you? Put him out quick. Alright. Eh? What that? God, no, nothing there. No, sir. Well, no, put them back in there for me. Alright, peeps, so you're up now, no? Just catch some bait. See my hand wet up. Look how my hand wet up. So if you catch some bait, because I see the sprat, the man. Man, they say them not catch them, so I say, boy, I'm going to try. So I just make a one try, catch some bait, catch some sprats, and I have a good amount of sprat in my bucket. So I see if we can catch another fish, you know. Andrew pull up a thing there for me, a jack. Meanwhile I was catching some bait. Yeah, so yeah, man, Andrew catch a jack for me. So I'll put it out again, see if I can catch another one. I put out on sprat, you know. So I put out one for here now. Alright, let's scare everyone. Alright, so that is scary one now put out. I'm going to set my other rod pin because watch him, man, watch him. See that now? Don't let me. I tell you no one. I tell you. Watch him. Alright guys, so here what happened. Stay tuned, I have to soon come back here. Yeah. Come on now, hold it for breeze. I look a boatman make you have to get irritable a while ago. Imagine the man see with line set out right here, so. Right, look on the line them. See them there? One there, so, one here, so, my one right here, so, and another Andrew one right over there, so. Right? The man see the line them set out and the man come with the net. Show him see like a sprat on the shoreline and come and drop the net over our line and come a bad way up. Me and Kira for race up the man, race him up wicked. I come to them all chop up and all kind of something about them shoot and all kind of foolishness. I forget wicked on them, man. Kira throw my line. Throw my line. Yeah. So you see me I say? Sure. Anyhow, we still at it guys, you know, we just cast some bait and stuff and we have live bait now, but we wait for another one. Because remember I catch one jack already now, but 2 minutes I cast bait, Andrew catch a fish with me. A nice jack, about 5 pounds. So we don't know what we do with it, you know. We want to catch one more then we start cook. Alright, so stay tuned, we soon come back. Fish on, brother, fish on. You don't have no line on it. Yeah. Sean. Yeah. Boss off. I turn back, you know. Yeah, I feel it. Stop for us. Morton! Yes! Andrew!
Listen, let me tell you how I'm going to say. Him go right and discover.
Beautiful little supper, man, yes.
Say you soon to the sharp side.
Tell him, man, Andrew.
You start playing my jack around mountain and he's a mountain. Eh? Oh, you mean they don't know me spot the real line around? You go left and you go right, so that's
Andrew, hold him up, Andrew. Yes, people see there. Andrew, man, mutton snapper. Nice one, my friend. Fish on every time, Andrew. Big up yourself, sir. Yeah. Nice one, see there.
The madman, you know.
Yeah, man. And you just catch a mutton snapper, you know, you see that? Why? Yeah man, nice mutton snapper. Is that a live sprat, yeah man, live sprat that I use. Yes brother, nice one, Andrew. I can get a picture
up on the grass.
Yeah.
And the grass.
Hold inside it. Oh, yeah. Nice one brother, yes. Good one. Fish on. Yeah peeps, so guess what happened, boy? Say me don't look a fish cook up in a day around a pint, you know. But I tell you the truth. Boy, the vibes dead out because you have a little man who come on here and a while you up. A boatman come throw things for me, throw net for me line after you while him up. Then you have a next man there around here and a screw up in face and I go on like say we're shooting there around here fishing, you know. Come put all them stick in between the rod them and all them things and you know, I go on a little way and screw up in face. So you know what but now but I would not cooking around here so right now. You know me I don't catch fish and carry them and go cook them. Cause you can't have people and make trouble with people, you understand me? Troublemaker. Right now, they must say man a troublemaker, so you know what I say now. But now there's no cooking around here. You understand me? No cooking at all. Just go home and cook my fish, you understand me? Cause anyway you go and people make trouble with you, you don't make the sense to stay. So you know what? I go and set out and if anything, we'll catch in another one, alright? Or if you catch another fish, you see what is happening. So we still come back, alright? Yeah man, see the fish them you know, yeah? One jack, one snapper, that's all we catch today now. Yeah man, that's all. Yeah, we're not gonna catch no more. Nice man, tell you. Nice mutton snapper that's about 6 pounds now. Yeah man, see me? Look. Jack the ball. Nice fish, alright? So, we'll clean them up now, so here we are. Look them on. Alright guys, guess what happened? I think it's about time now to pack up and leave this place, you know. Come on, so it's about it's evening time now, you know. I know I catch a jack. Andrew catch a jack for me. Because I was casting bait, so Andrew, the fish run off with my rod and then Andrew fight the fish and bring him up for me. And then later on Andrew catch a nice mutton snapper. Yeah, very nice, about 6 or 7 pounds. Very nice. You understand me? So I guess it's time now to pack up and leave, you know guys. Yeah man. Full days fishing, you know. So guess what? As I said I was gonna do a cook up, you know, but the vibes it just changed because you have some people in the place here going like them on the place, you know. Especially one special person and just come and just screw up in face and all everything and I go on like the place is his own, you know. So it just broke my vibes, so you know me I go home, I'm not about to cook up. You understand what I mean? You guys will understand because when you come around here, you'll know the person I'm talking about. Anyway, take it easy, right? And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Fish on. Alright, there, I'm going to take up a bit. Soon there. Come on, to release him. They're in the catch a fish, but they catch one man of war.
Let me see what happening.